back to my channel. I'm back home from a little drive. This is my outfit for today. I think the camera is too high. Wait, come here. Way too high. So just got a shirt and then a knee-length trousers. Just wanted to show. I think I'm doing grocery haul a little bit too much now, but it's okay because I have a little house now and a family. I'm kidding. So I got bananas. I haven't had bananas in a while. Got buldak, our favorite spicy hot, 3 times spicy. Which one? Got another one. 4 times. Wait. Got vegetable samosas. Was craving this. Just a little treat. We got Freshco. We're trying the passion fruit flavor. Haven't tried this flavor. Now next we have the bacon cubes. I think I'm going to add this to our soup, our buldak. A green pepper, cheese, costing an arm and a leg as usual, and then we have ketchup, tomatoes, and chili. My favorite brand. And then we have ginger garlic paste. What else is that it? Yeah, I think that's it for today. Yeah, so I've been watching Mufasa earlier, so I'm going to chill. Oh, the cereal. Why did you put the cereal away? Then we have cereal. Kit Kat cereal. I have never seen a Kit Kat cereal. It's on the brand Nestle. Oh, maybe. Makes sense. So yeah, I'm going to finish watching my movie. It's 8 o'clock exactly. And then I'm going to chill and then we'll talk a little bit later. Forgot to tell you I have vanilla ice cream. Craving ice cream. Non, mon oublié mon test. Okay guys, I think I'm in the shade. Okay, so I just got up here. I didn't film on my way up because I filmed this area many times, so you already know this area by now. Yeah, I was just doing my little journal. Just thinking, praying a little bit, doing my journal, talking to God. So now I'm going down the beach, do some more journal. I brought my swimsuit with me. I'm not sure if I want to. I think I want to go to the sea, but it's a little bit sunny because I came from my work pretty late because I wake up late. I was a little in a funk, but I said no. I have to do my work because I didn't go yesterday, so I had to go for my work. Right now the plan is go to the beach, maybe take a swim, and then go to the grocery store. Got 1 or 2 things. Just try to relax my mind. I want this Friday to be relaxing because I've been in a funk, I've been stressing, and I'm the type of person, if I'm around people in the house, I do not want to do anything. I do not want to clean. I do not want to tidy the place. I don't even want to cook because I'm used to doing things on my own. And my camera is on my own. And the thing is, I prefer to do things on my own all the time, but I'm trying to pray to God for me to be more, I don't know how to put that, like allow me to be able to work with people because I need people in my life also. I don't have to do things on my own all the time. I'm just praying to God to give me that patience, to give me that time. Suddenly there's so many cars coming down. What is going on? Yeah. So I'm just praying to God to just give me the patience to be able to work with people. I get a lot of mood swings. I'm working on that. My mood swing, I get irritated quickly, irritable quickly. Every little things make me my mood change quickly, and then I get better. I've been struggling with this for a while now, but I'm praying about it. I'm praying for it, for me to take care of my mood swings. I haven't been taking my vitamins. Maybe that's also is playing a role or taking a toll on me. That's making my mood change so many times. But if I pray to God, I know I can get better at this. Anyway, we are going down now. I'm not going to film going down, but maybe I'm going to film a little bit at the beach. So yeah, let's go. Guys, the way I just undressed myself and dressed myself to go to the sea is beyond me. Beyond me. I just saw someone I knew coming this way, and I try to avoid him because I do not want any disturbance right now. So yeah, that's what you do when you want to avoid someone. You just ignore. I'm going to put my bag down because I don't want any thief playing any idea. That's my swimsuit. I'm excited to get to the sea.
commission the church to reach the lost, to fulfill the Great Commission. This moment that will come one day, we will have hoped that we left everything on the field, that we gave it everything we got. And that's just part of what we hope happens because of Gather 25. So go right now, gather25.com, be a part of this story. We want you to be there.
Alright guys, so I'm just going to take a last dip in the sea. Ow! Oh my god, my feet hurts. Then get dressed, go to the grocery store. I think I need hummus. I've been talking about hummus this morning. I'm going to look for the hummus recipe. I will see if I can get chickpeas at the shop. Hummus is a good snack to have with celery or maybe a chips or something. So I think I'm going to make that. I'm going to look for the recipe. So yeah, the plan is just to go to the grocery store, go back home, tidy up, cook, and yeah, chill for the rest of the day. For today, maybe later I'll go work a little bit at the cafe next to my home and chill. I'm quite on track with my editing, but I cannot upload because my internet is not working right now, so I have to go to a cafe and see. I'm so happy I'm getting some sun and chilling and relaxing. Gonna get in the sea again. And then, yeah, look at this beautiful background, guys. Seychelles is so beautiful. Do you see that? It's so peaceful and beautiful, and there's no people there. Like, this is what I like. This is what I love. Let's go have a last hurrah, a last swim, and then we go to the store. Kone mon vin, mon passe la côte à wall. Pas côte à wall, côte saint ou mon pain na chitu de quoi là. Tout le monde a vu une fou ne la de quoi mon gete kana. Bezoli là derrière. Sim gata ko chaman skove. Sa que a lopon rabot que a lopon lá. Vai na ptibut que tinha lopon lá. Ui. Yeah. Hi beautiful people, so I am back home from my work, from my swim, from the grocery store. We have the habit of saying we're going to buy 2 things and then we buy more than it's needed, but it's okay, it's all the things that I need anyway. So I wanted to show you again. I feel like this week it's been about groceries and everything. I need to treat myself because I've been spending way too much money on groceries and I'm not treating myself to anything. But today is the day to treat myself. I need to take care of that. So I have my cabbage, local cabbage. I like to make, like, it's called bouillon or soups, cabbage soups. This is handy. I like to use it to clean the sink, the kitchen sink, the bathroom, the shower. I love to use this for my shower. This is really good. I love also lavender. I like lavender a lot. I have the insect spray. This is a really good now. It doesn't smell terrible, but at least you cannot inhale it, but this is really good. It doesn't smell as horrible as the others. Like this one, let me show this one. This one is really effective, but smells horrible. But I've seen that this one kills more flies than this one, so I'm trying this one. I have local, I think this is local tomatoes. pack of biscuits for when I want the sweet treats. I did not want to buy this, but since we have ice cream, I want to make a nice dessert for us. I found this fridge freshener. This is the first time I saw fridge freshener. So I'm going to clean the fridge, and I'm going to place this in the fridge. I will see how much it lasts. It says this lasts for about 3 months, so let's see how long this lasts. This is giving me an excuse to clean my fridge a bit. I have local salted sausage, which I like to put in my lentils, or when I'm doing uh, brain fat. Sorry about that. This is mixed spice. I like to put this in my curry sometimes. 1 avocado. This is a Deepex dishwashing paste. I love to use this with my pans, with the you know, the pans. This is better for the pans. I have some cauliflower, parsley. I bought thyme the other day, but now I got parsley. I wanted local chickpeas, but I mean freshly made chickpeas, but I didn't have any. I want to try hummus, like I said. So I bought chickpeas. I'm not sure if it will taste the same. I didn't want anything in the cans, but this is all I got. I got close-up toothpaste. And this is my water. I have cauliflower. I haven't had cauliflower in a while. Sesame seeds, sesame black. I was looking for sesame seeds, but I saw black sesame for the hummus. I'm not sure if this is what they need for what I need for my tahini, but I think this is, I got that. And then I have beans. This bean is really expensive. I don't know, but anyway, this is all I got for now. So right now, even if I'm tired, I'm going to cook. I'm going to clean my pantry, remove something to cook for now. I'm so tired. Yeah, I'm so tired. I have so many things to do, a lot of things to do right now. Do my refrigerator, remove something to defrost. Yeah, cook something, finish with the rest of my work. I had to drink some just because I was thirsty. Yeah, so if you like this little grocery stuff segment, come on down below. But I cannot always buy in grocery because it's so freaking expensive. All right, it's expensive, so I buy only what I need. Anyway, let me clean my pantry, and I think I'm going to show you when I'm done. Okay? Yeah. Okay guys, the pantry is done. I'm going to be having my coconut water. Excited to have that. This is my ice. My ice box. A few of my meat, bread, because I like to freeze bread to preserve its life. I have some frozen fruits here. I need to make juice. And this is my pantry all clean. This is my veggies, cabbages, and all my cans, my jars. All here. It's my meat, my milk, my cheese, and my chocolates. These are my eggs. A few of the things that I use. This is my medicine cabinet. And yeah, so that's that. Need to remove this. I also made some mixed fruits. I'm going to store it in the fridge for a few hours, and then I have some lychee also. Okay guys, so I'm actually cooking now some turmeric fish with turmeric, and then I have my chicken, then rice, and then I'm going to prepare my salads. So yeah. Bon which?
Do you see the film in there?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah. Got me.
Where?
I have a camera, so it's like this. It's like this one, but it doesn't have the long stuff. My grandma gave it to me. You can when I'm going to somewhere like Dubai or England or Scotland, I can bring it and the video everything.
Really?
Yes.
Where is that camera?
On my grandma gave it on my sister's birthday. The two of us.
It's nice.
And it's at home now.
Madam?
Mommy,
Yes, sir? Yes, we are. Okay.
Daddy and Mommy, and Auntie Rosie, and myself, and Gabby. Bon appétit.
Bon appétit.
Did you switch it off? Okay, switch on. We'll change it. You want this? You don't want shrimp? You want?
I pass Nutella, I pretend this is tomato sauce, and I add some Skittles, that is sauces, and then I eat it. It tastes so good.
Really?
Gabby, 1+1.
Come here. Lots of stuff.
Gabby, you need to say loud, okay?
Say hi to the camera. Hi. What's your name? What's your age? What's your age? 5. Only 5? Are you sleeping? No? You want to go home? You hungry? want to sit here? Sit.
Gabby, yeah, Gabby, you need to say this loud. What is 1 plus 4? 8. 8 plus 8. 16 plus 16. What? 32 plus 32. It's 64. 64 plus 64. 122. 8. 128, you said? What is 100? 100 plus 100? No? What is 100 plus 100?
Hey, envoie-moi le deuxième là. Good morning, guys. So I'm dressed up for church. I'm going to church today. Praise the Lord. I just need to go to church. Like, I'm trying to be consistent with all the things that I do, not trying to fall off. I just feel like today I need something spiritual in my life. So yeah, that's the plan for today, and then I'm going to come back. I don't know if I'm going to do a reset routine, another separate video, or I'm going to continue this vlog. I'll see how much footage I have. So yeah, today I'm so excited. I was a little bit sad yesterday, but today I'm so excited to go and pray, be around Christian, yeah, and feel better about life in general. So yeah, today I have my music. I haven't been paying Spotify for a long time. Today I have my music. I'm going to listen to my gospel, chill. Yeah, so that's the plan for today. Praise God, everyone. Have a blessed Sunday, and I'll talk to you maybe in church. I'll probably vlog a little video. Yeah.
Pour la première fois.
I would like to welcome those who are here for the first time.
And let us appreciate Veronica Swani. Veronica, you are most welcome. Please let us appreciate her. And let us play.
They also worked. However, the problem with them, they remained in Jerusalem.
Mais Jésus a commencé Jérusalem, Judea, Samaria, après à tout le
But Jesus told them to go to Judea, Samaria, and everywhere in the world.
Mais quand ils concentrés juste avec l'église la Pentecôte.
But they concentrated only in the Pentecostal church.
pause my music. Alright guys, so I've been back home since 2 hours ago. I've been prepping my food to cook. Peace of mind today. I'm alone. So I have my chicken. I'm doing a chicken stew. I have my potatoes. I feel I've been cooking a lot. My ginger fresh. And I have already done my garlic. So I'm going to peel my ginger now. And then what I'm cooking. And then I'm cooking ribs. I haven't prepped it yet. I'm going to prep while the chicken is cooking. So I'm doing that for now. I have my capsicum because I love capsicum in my food. Yeah, and then I have some, I don't know if you're going to see it. No, let me show you. Some papaya. I need to I put some hot water just to steam it a little bit. So yeah, that's that for now. Prepping everything. Not doing much actually. I like to cook my chicken first because sometimes the chicken have a lot of blood, which I really hate. I don't like that. I haven't set the tripod yet to show you what I'm doing because I'm so tired. I want to finish cooking and then I'll show you the rest of the meal what I'm doing. Already prepped my papaya to make a chutney. This is my chicken stew. This is my steak, pork. I think yeah, pork. And rice cooked already. Little lunch is done, my little late lunch. It's 4:15. It's my chicken stew, my grilled pork, and then my chutney papaya. Yeah, so that's the food for this Sunday. I will eat that, relax a little bit, and then I'm stepping out the house. Let me take a thumbnail for my video, a pic. Hi guys, I came on here to actually let me just remove my makeup while we talk. I just came home from, I was outside chilling, so whilst I remove my makeup, no, what am I saying? Anyway guys, this vlog was pretty all over the place. I don't know if it was eventful or not, but that's what I have for you this week. Anyway, yeah, I came on here to just close this vlog. It's pretty late. It's 10:30. Thank you guys so much for watching another vlog. Probably this week we're going to have a sit down video. I'm not sure. We'll see. So thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm so happy for my subscribers, for my not subscribers, for my little community. If you like this kind of video, if you like my vlog, consider subscribing, share, like, comment. I respond to all my comments, all my everything. I'm on TikTok. I'm on all social media platform: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all the social platforms. So if you want to subscribe, you will see at the end of my video all my social handles. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm sorry I'm talking like that because my tooth is hurting so bad. Yeah, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.